The 2015 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.